Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can log out of your TikTok account, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to log out of your TikTok account, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your TikTok. And after opening your TikTok, next, I want you to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, I want you to tap these three lines at the top right corner. And then go to Settings and Privacy. And once you're on Settings, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom. And here at the bottom, you will now be able to see the logout option, so just go and tap it. And then TikTok will ask you for confirmation if you really want to log out your account, so just tap the logout button to confirm it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your TikTok account will now be logged out. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.